American AAL 1641. This plane was virtually fired Miami to GUA, but they are direct to Miami, and this is my first time checking emergency landing plane. This plane is a Boeing 737-823P. Registration 346PR. This plane is gonna diverted to Miami. Into this plane emergency landings. You see, look at the flight map. Oh shoot, sorry guys. This always happen. Look at the flight map. They gonna landing at 5 minutes. The plane is gonna land. Let's check by people that this plane is crazy because I'm seeing this plane and landing next to you. So let's see how they land. The first time checking it, like landing it here. We gotta check over this plane. And he's arriving in 4 minutes. So let's see. Let's check the 3D view. I want to check the 3D view. Alright. The light camera. Okay, this plane gonna land. Is the flight gonna land? They're gonna land it now. Alright, this plane. Alright, they gonna land right now. So let's see how they gonna land. Honestly, I think there's a flight animation actually. First time checking a flight right now. This flight is gonna land. Oh, I saw the airport right now. It's right there. You can see. Oh shoot, sorry. This plane is gonna land. Wait, can I change it to high quality? Alright then. You see, this plane is an American 737. My first time track down of American plane. No, American airline, not American plane. Do you remember I checked C-17 and Donald Trump 747-400. Dude, is this Donald Trump? Actually, I still don't know, but I need to see how to land it. Have they crash landed? I'm gonna say first time I checked down this light emergency landing. So this is so weird because first time I see a 737 emergency landing. Guys, I never tracked down these before. So I feel this flight is good. Please land it safely. Alright, you can do it, bro. You can do it. Just don't crash. Alright, just don't crash. Alright. I feel this plane is not gonna crash. Yeah, not gonna crash. Don't crash. Alright, they gotta land. Alright, this plane gonna land right now. So. Alright, you can do it. American airline plane. I forgot the number, so. Come on, bro. You're gonna land this, bro. Alright. And land this. I wish you don't have a crash landing. Alright, they gotta land. Come on. Just land safely. Alright. This Boeing 737 gonna land. Oh man. I don't know what happened to this plane. Oh my god. What? Feet 25 feet. Okay. You can do it, bro. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. You turn on. Come on, let me turn on. Uh-oh. Did I crash? Oh, I'm not crash. You're gonna land. Come on, right now. We can land this. Oh, now I crash again. Oh. Come on. Oh, they gotta land. Do they gonna extend the landing gear? Why they not extend the landing gear? Alright, is this a belly landing? Let's see. Let's see if this is a belly landing. Now it's midnight in Hong Kong, and this plane is landing at Mooring, America. So, oh yeah, land it safely, land it safely. Oh my God, so this scared me. Alright, just don't do it. Oh yeah, you can do it. Just don't. Yes, baby. Finally, he landed. Oh, still not landed. Oh. I want to say, this is a belly landing. Oh my God, this scared me. This is a belly landing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just go whatever you want. Just turn around the brake yourself. And just don't do it. Just don't do it. Woo, man. Let me stop this plane right now. I need to see it. Oh, it's still moving. It's still moving. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's still moving. It's still moving. Woo. Are they landed safely? Yes! They landed safely. Alright. Comment and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye!